What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with Lace by J5. As you can see, we're standing in front of our next full wrap in the shop. We got a 2014 BMW M6, pretty amazing car, sounds awesome, looks awesome. I actually contemplated buying a BMW Grand Coupe or a 6 Series Grand Coupe before getting the CLS, but so this should be a fun one. Very cool color going on this one. Not one that we've done before, but one that we've been waiting to do. So yeah, 6 Series Grand Coupe, or not 6 Series, I'm sorry, M6, don't get that twisted. M6 Grand Coupe. Real carbon fiber roof on this one, so we won't be wrapping the roof. Pretty much everything else will be going. The new color I'm not gonna tell you quite yet. Just stay tuned so you guys see what we're gonna do with it.
I just wanted to run it up, yeah. And I got the big truck, yeah. Caught the Jag 200 on the dash. I'm just speaking big facts. I ain't even signed a deal yet. I ain't even missed a meal yet. I'm eating good cause I'm still fake.
Alright guys, so we're getting started on the removals for the BMW M6 here. Just wanted to show you all, Isaiah just finished up making a template for our M6 badge in the rear. This is how we make sure that we put back badges exactly where they came from the factory. So we use the masking tape to make this template here. And we always try to take it to either a body line or the edge of the panel. As you can see, we kind of did both here. We'll peel that template off, remove the emblem, and then after we're finished wrapping the vehicle, we can put that template right back and it'll let us know exactly where that M6 badge should go back on. Give it that nice, clean factory look. Next up is got the door handles, gas cap, the reflectors in the back. We're also gonna remove these fender vents, I think, just to make wrapping the fender a little easier. And then we'll get started. Alright guys, so we're finishing up for day one on the M6. As you can see, we've got a quarter and 2 doors wrapped on this driver's side, as well as we have 2 doors and a fender wrapped on the other side. Isaiah's currently working on inlays for the rear bumper because we're going to jump on the front and rear bumpers once we get back in the morning. But yeah, this color is 3M Gloss Atomic Teal. It's looking really good so far. Definitely one of the better teal options out there. If you're looking for a teal wrap, there's not a lot to choose from. Can't wait to get this one finished up and get it outside and really see it pop in that sunlight, because that's when it's really going to stand out. But yeah, stay tuned, see what else we got coming for this one. It should be a really fun project. Can't wait to see it, all wrapped up. All right, so here you guys see me using the steamer, and what we're doing here is we're trying to clean up the finish of the 3M gloss material. Sometimes this vinyl can show up with a bit of haziness or what they call mottling, fresh off the roll. And so using the steamer is a nice safe heat, a good way to make the vinyl a little more shiny and get rid of some of those blemishes that are sometimes appearing from the factory. Steam is also a nice safe heat, especially this particular pod steamer. It's not too hot, so it won't damage the vinyl, but it's definitely hot enough to clear it up and also get the adhesive flowing underneath. So here we're just showing some of those blemishes that were on the vinyl before, and as you can see now, it's nice and clear.
All right, guys, as you can see, we've got this 2014 BMW M6 all wrapped up, pun intended. 3M gloss atomic teal, a really awesome color. We're getting ready to pull it outside, take some walk around videos, some nice pictures and everything. Can't wait to see how it looks out in the sunlight. But overall, very fun project, very cool car to work on. I love these M6s or 6 Series in general. Let us know what you think of this vehicle. Let us know what you think of this video. Leave this video a like. Drop us some comments down below. And until next time, Place by J5 signing out.